Good morning, happy people. As you can tell, I'm on a hunt this morning. I suppose this would be my last hunt for 2023, but I'm excited. I'm pumped for this morning. The weather is so bad, windy, drizzling, raining, everything in one day. So I'm just hoping I won't get too wet, but I was on a sika hunt, and from the top hill I could see another farm, and I saw a big 10-point stag, a red deer, and in the middle of the field he was like, my legs were shaking. Wrong farm, I know, but I managed to get permission on that farm now. It's too late, the rut is gone, but I've been there yesterday afternoon just to do a walk and scan and see the property. The tracks and footprints, they are everywhere. It's like a war zone. So there'll be sika, there'll be red. I saw actually yesterday a yearling. I saw it late. She saw me first, but just pumped. But yesterday I didn't have any plans to shoot because it was late. I had to go. But this morning I'll do a good walk. The only problem is I would have to go around the farm and then come back because the wind is bad. It'll be in my back if I go through the main entrance in the farm, so I have to go around somehow. There's a road, but that's how it is. I don't know what to expect to. If I see the stag still moving, I don't know. I don't have much experience in red deer than I have in fallow deer, where I mostly hunt, but it's just the excitement of getting new permission for one of the biggest deer. So let's see how the morning goes. It's still dark. There'll be probably about 20 minutes till it'll get bright, but I have to do a good walk to get to the other side of the farm, so I'll take my time. I'll try not to disturb the area, and try to keep the wind in my face all the time, so we won't spook anything. Shitty weather though, but it is how it is. I have no plans to stay too long. I just do a quick walk, come back slow, and then if I don't see anything, I don't know, I'll come back definitely, because the area is crazy, but let's hope we'll see something. I don't really want to shoot anything beside the stag, but you know how it is. The adrenaline, the excitement when you see something in your face, when you see something there. But anyway, I'll try to keep you posted. I try to record everything so you can see exactly how today's hunt goes. So I better get things ready and start to move. So I went up. I'm not fully up, but I'm close to the spot where I need to make a plan on how will I get in the thickness, to pass by the thickness and get to the accessible grounds. But oh man, beautiful. Seeing tracks on the grounds. Even here, big tracks. They're not cattle. They are red. So still have a little bit of a walk. At the moment I have my wind. The wind is in my back, so don't like it. But I'm not here for these lands that I see here. I have to go around and get to the permission. So a few more steps and I can see it. I can have a better view of the area. So I stood here at the wallow, but nothing one seems to move. I'm sure know why they don't. Like I see fresh footprints from last night, this morning, forever. But like it's a beautiful spot. You can come there, and there's the wallow. So I don't know, but anyway, I think I'll make my way further, and there are a few woodlands now still to capture within the walk. So we'll see if they are there grazing. Fingers crossed. If they will be there, it'll be much easier to bring them to the vehicle. Yeah, and I'll start to move slow. I'm not in a rush, so. Not sure if it's a red or a sika or whatever hybrid it is. There's a deer there in the bush. You can see it. Not far. She is nice. Oh man. Oh man. Unreal. Just encountered a few red hinds here. I shot one. I can see there. I shot over two as well. Now I saw blast fur on one of them. I aimed for the head. I'm just curious if it's there now, but oh my gosh. I'll make my way up now because I don't want them to go up and start to run again. They're big animals, so I'll go close and see what's there. Tough terrain, man. But I can see one. One is down. I can still see one. They're still in the bush. There is a hind just in my side there. She's right there. I'll set up. Maybe I'll take that one too. I took a few pictures. She's not. Man, she's beauty. She's big now. There was one running up in the field. Like, I shot here twice over another one, so I'll go a little bit up because they run up and see if I took one or two more now, because that's what I thought. But man, unreal. She's not that big, this one. There is one there now. I saw the blast. It was a headshot. I'm just hoping it's there. But jeez, unreal, unreal where they were today. And I stood somewhere there up in the valley where I thought they'll come. But amazing. I better go and see if I can find one or two more. That's the plan, but I'll keep you posted. So I haven't seen anything else there. I'll go to the spot where I saw the fur blast. Yeah, I'll double check here and see. Because here was the one I shot down there. Oh no, I'm in the wrong location. But I'll scan close the area and then I'll put up an update. So I have number 2 down. Oh my gosh, that was a perfect shot. I think I was hurt. And man, I'm close to a road here. That's brilliant. It's crazy. Ah, that was a perfect shot. That's massive. That's massive. And I think I just saw my third one. There. I have to go closer. Man. I'll be struggling to bring them all. Oh my gosh, where is he? Oh man. What a blast. What a blast and what a day. Beautiful. Man, if I can bring my car here, that'll be fantastic. That's a deer. And that was a brilliant. Because I'll tell you something. I saw the blast there from the head. Unreal. I should look it. I'll get close. I'm hoping it's not that big. Oh man, she is big. She is big. Sorry, now you have to see that, but perfect headshot. That's massive. Oh my gosh. Man, beautiful here. If I can bring that car, that would be amazing. I don't know, but we'll try at least, that's for sure. Okay folks, there's a lot of work to be done and time is flying. Weather is not that good. Oh man, this is massive. She is massive. That's my palm. She is unreal. Massive. A lot of work. Okay folks, see you just a little bit later. So got them and pulled them aside to be a little bit easier. I'll try to see if I can drive the car up, and I don't know how it will work, but I'll be trying anyway. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. So I have some help. Tractor's on the way. Yeah, brilliant. No, the farmer's son helps me 100%. Tractor, happy days, happy days. Yeah, baby. How behind now, so easy. Oh, back at the farm. Cattle, they're curious. Unreal. What a day. I'll get the car, I'll load them up now. I think I'll have to, I don't know, I don't think I'll be able to bring them all at once, but I'll see what I can do. And anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.